All right, we're going to look at Ethereum pricing right now. I'm looking at the daily chart of Ethereum. But before we do, I've got to say that overall the crypto market is doing very well. I'm seeing signs of very healthy up and down, making fantastic moves up across in the crypto coins. And what we're seeing across a lot of crypto right now is just the natural fall, the natural retracement that you'll see after you find a big run up, which we've had the last couple of months. Some things that have given me some positive vibes is I've seen Bitcoin even today break out of its falling channel, which is good. It's striving to stay up there, but to see that it has made a break above this falling channel and has started challenging some of its December highs is a fantastic thing to see. Unfortunately, with Ethereum, we've not seen that. We did see today a nice green bar up to this point. If you would have looked at the price when it was at 2262, you would have said, wow, Ethereum's looking really good following Bitcoin, and we've got some reason to expect it breaking above this trend line and moving on up. But as you can see, sellers came in and pushed that price right back down. And so still today, Ethereum is respecting this trend line, which is showing lower lows and lower highs, which just denotes a lower price pattern. Now, as you can see, I've already marked this level here. It's 2160 down to about 2130 as a very important level to watch. Why is it important? Well, you can see that the market historically has looked at that level and reacted around that level, which is what we're going to be watching here. How will the market continue to react? If you go back to November, you can see this range right here encompasses those highs. It encompasses the wick of this day on November 24th. And then price on Saturday, December 2nd, broke entirely through that entire level and just never looked back. It just took off once it turned that resistance and finally broke it. Absolutely took off. But we're starting to see a pullback. We're starting to see a retracement, which is natural to see in the movements of markets, especially after big run-ups. And you can see I've got a wick here, a wick here, a wick here, a wick here, and a wick even today, which means price has fallen into this area already 5 times, has been rejected every time. But as long as this trend line holds, as long as there's downward pressure on the market, eventually this is going to break through. Once you see a level tested 5 or 6 times and price keeps hitting that level, often that level will give way. And if it does, it will give way like an avalanche and will continue to fall down rather swiftly until it finds its next level. Obviously, if you're long Ethereum, you do not want that to happen. And so we'll have to keep a watch on this price very much. I do want to go back just to point out the importance of this level. This level that is marked right here encompasses the high back in April of 23. And if I go to the weekly, you can still see that level even was important back here with a wick shown at the low in January, almost 2 years ago of January 2022. So this level for Ethereum is very important. Now, if price does break below this level, what does that mean for Ethereum? It's hard to say. Still for crypto, I'm long across the board. Still think crypto is going to do very, very well moving into the next year. So for short term, you may see price falling, but it could and probably will rebound. What I'd hate to see, and at this point, I see no reason for it to happen, but I'd certainly hate to see Ethereum getting to this level, break. You see how the price ranged within this area for about 2 to 3 weeks. I'd hate for price to get back in here and start ranging around there, but it could. It absolutely could. What gives me some positive vibes, looking at Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin has broken out. VET, a favorite coin of mine, has also broken out. You can see it's given back a lot of that positive upward movement today. So crypto is showing signs of wanting to challenge its December highs again, but it is also seeing some resistance each time it does so. So Ethereum, is definitely not leading the market right now. Perhaps it'll be a follower. And if Bitcoin can break that 44,000 level comfortably and stay up there, I would imagine Ethereum would start to follow. But until then, downward pressure. Be patient. Just watch and see how the market reacts as it continues to fall. It will either fall below or pop back up and continue its journey upwards. All right. We'll take a look at that. Keep looking at Ethereum, and I'll give you updates as the market shows us more.